It is raining heavily and I found this hibiscus flower. In one of my previous videos, we saw that litmus paper is not the only acid-base indicator. Turmeric can also be used as a natural indicator. If you have not watched that video, I would suggest you first watch that. I have provided the link in the description. In this video, we will see how China rose or hibiscus flower can be used to test acids and bases. Hibiscus has a pigment called anthocyanin that changes its color differently in the presence of an acid or base. Let's first make our indicator solution. Take some China rose flowers and boil them in water for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let it cool. Strain the solution and our indicator is ready. You can see it is maroon in color. Here I have taken a few liquids for testing like lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda solution and detergent solution. We will put a few drops of our indicator solution in all these liquids one by one and observe their colors. The detergent solution was initially blue but now it has turned green. The baking soda solution has also turned green. Vinegar has turned pink. And lemon juice has also turned pink. As we can see, China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to pink and basic solutions to green. Instead of using the liquid indicator solution, which is difficult to carry and store, you can make indicator strips like we did in a turmeric indicator video. Just rub the hibiscus petals on a paper and cut strips out of it. Let's now test these strips. You can see how the strip turns pink with lemon juice. Try it at home and write in the comment section which color does this indicator strip turn in the presence of a base. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.